I must have watched the movie The Sting 20 frickin' times because of how many cars they had in there. And my first car I restored was a 62 Pontiac, 32 Pontiac, two-door coupe. I was 14 when I bought the car. I borrowed the money from my oldest sister, and I dismantled it and took it apart. And my first Corvette was, I guess, when I was about 16. A guy came to me and asked me if I could, he had a wreck with it. A guy that I knew through my father's candy store. I wanted to know if I could fix it. So, of course I said absolutely. Naturally, I didn't know what the hell I was doing at first, but catch on pretty quick, and here we are.
So what was the outcome on that one? I mean, obviously here we are, but how did it all come out?
Came out just like it was supposed to. Took me a little bit longer than it should have, but that's because it was my first one. So I've been doing, that has been my specialty since then. Corvettes, anyway. And here we are today at my very own shop. What am I doing? Putting Corvettes together. What a deal. I don't know, man. I just fell in love with it. My uncle had a 27 Pontiac that I put together for him way back when. I mean, that was 16, no? I guess I was 15 when I did that one. And then I had that guy come in from my father's candy store and ask me about his Corvette. Well, I couldn't turn him down, could I? So, just go for the flow, you figure it out.